everybody, welcome back. This is Ashleigh, and today we're going to be changing these bifold doors into wall decor. So as you can see, these are very old doors. They came off of a closet door, and I'm just using one half of the door. These are very, very dirty. The first thing I did was I wiped them down. And I tried to get as much dirt off as I could just for painting purposes. And as you can see, I mean, there's just spray paint. It's rusted. So yeah, we're going to have to just cover that up really, really well. But this is going to be a very simple, easy project, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be taking the screws off. So I'll have two separate sides to work with. The next thing that I did was I just took my sander and I just started to sand the doors just to get some of the grit away because these have been outside. So after the sanding, I just came inside, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own chalk paint by using the plaster of Paris, this acrylic paint, which is in black and gray. And then I'm just going to use this little stir stick, my measuring cup, and of course I'm going to have a jar to put everything in. Okay, so if you haven't made chalk paint before, I'm just going to be using this plaster of Paris. Some recipes say 2.5 teaspoons, some say less, some say more. Everyone's all different, and I really just pour in however much that I think I need. So you mix the plaster of Paris and the water together, it's like a smooth consistency, and then you add your paints to it. And like I said, you can add more plaster of Paris if you want. You can add more water. It's just really up to you and how you want your chalk paint to turn out. Okay, so after we've made the chalk paint, we're just going to start painting our bifold doors. So I mixed the black with the gray just so I'll get kind of like an off black, and it wouldn't really be a true black color because I didn't want it to be too dark. I did about 3 coats of this, maybe 2.5, I would say, coats to cover up all the white. So the next thing that we're going to do is just simply cut the doors in half so that we'll have 4 separate panels to work with on our wall. After that, we're just going to come with our sawtooth picture hangers and attach them to the doors so that we can put them onto the wall. Using our leveler, we're just going to make sure that first we make sure we were in the center of the wall, and then with the leveler, we're just making sure that it's leveled onto the wall. So as you can see, we're done. We're putting our last panel up there, and I decided to have these staggered a little bit just to not have that straight look. I didn't like that. All right, so we're all done. So, of course, you guys know I went to Hobby Lobby, it's one of my favorite stores, to get these tobacco baskets and this fresh sign. I just thought that it would add just a little bit more character to the doors. So this is a quick, simple DIY project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this DIY project, and there will be more to come. Thanks, guys.